The forest floor grew cold as winter's breath swept through the tall pines. Sammy the squirrel worked tirelessly, but only for himself. These are mine entirely, and I refuse to count a single one as shared. Esteemed Sammy, my children are so very hungry. Could you spare just 3 small nuts? Absolutely not, Millie. These are for my future, not your immediate need. I understand your worry, but generosity costs nothing when you have so much abundance. Go away now before I decide you look like a tempting snack for my own long winter. Millie retreated into the deepening shadows, leaving Sammy alone with his vast but cold treasure. Days turned into weeks, and the deep snow sealed the forest shut. I have so much food here, yet my burrow feels terribly empty today. No one comes to visit me now that the sun is weak. Hoarding wealth does not guarantee warmth or true companionship. I must find Millie and see if she still needs my help to survive. Millie, I have brought this portion of my store for you and your family. Sammy, this is so kind. Your friendship is far warmer than any acorn. I realize now that sharing these has made me feel much happier than hiding them did. The winter remained harsh, but the forest community grew stronger with every shared kindness.